Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is abyss. It's pronounced abyss, and it is spelt A-B-Y-S-S. Think ab, then the letter Y, and then double S. Abyss means a deep or seemingly bottomless chasm or pit. For example, you could say, the rope dangled over the cliff edge and into the dark abyss below. Abyss comes from the Latin abyssus, meaning bottomless pit, or the Greek abyssos, meaning bottomless pool. The abyssal zone is the name of the layer of the ocean, with abyssal coming from the word abyss. This zone is found at depths of about 3,000 to 6,000 meters under the sea. It remains in constant darkness as the sunlight cannot reach so far underwater, and it makes up over 83% of the ocean, covering 60% of the Earth. The abyssal zone is cold. It's around 2 degrees to 4 degrees in temperature. No plants can survive there, meaning there is little oxygen production. The fish and invertebrates that do live there have had to evolve to withstand the cold, the intense water pressure, and the darkness and lack of oxygen. There's one example you may have heard of before: the anglerfish. Anglerfish do not have a swim bladder, so the high pressure at these depths is not an issue. They have also adapted a way of luring in prey with a specialized glowing lure which hangs just in front of a large set of razor-sharp teeth. Abyss is a noun, and therefore a thing. For example, you could say, I knew if I fell into the dark abyss below, I would never be seen again. Abyss is defined in the dictionary as a very deep hole that seems to have no bottom. Abyss's synonyms include chasm, gorge, ravine, canyon, fissure, rift, and crevasse. Antonyms include hill, mountain, peak, height, elevation, summit, and mount. See if you can notice an abyss today, maybe a small one. It could be on TV or in a film, as I doubt you'll pass an abyss on your way to school. Either way, try to impress your parents today by casually using your new word, abyss. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.